Welcome to the night routine that will change your life. Are you tired of tossing and turning at night, struggling to fall asleep? Do you wake up feeling exhausted and unrefreshed? If so, it's time to create a night routine that works for you. In this video, we'll go over 5 simple steps to help you get a better night's sleep and start your tomorrow off in the right form. Step 1. Establish a bedtime. The first step to a successful night routine is establishing a consistent bedtime. Choose a time that works for you and stick to it as closely as possible, even on the weekends. This will help regulate your body's natural sleep cycle and make it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling rested. Step 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. A relaxing bedtime routine can do wonders for your sleep quality. Try winding down with activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can disrupt your sleep cycle. Step 3. Make your bedroom a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a place of relaxation and comfort. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Avoid keeping electronics in the bedroom, as they can be distracting and disrupt your sleep. Step 4. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol can both affect your sleep quality. Try to avoid consuming them close to bedtime, as they can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Step 5. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Deep breathing and meditation can help calm your mind and relax your body, making it easier to fall asleep. Try incorporating a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation into your bedtime routine to help you relax and unwind. By following these 5 steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful night routine that leads to better sleep and a more productive tomorrow. Remember, it takes time to develop a routine, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first. Keep at it, and soon you'll be waking up feeling rested and ready to tackle the day.